This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, in last session we have seen configuration related to daily work schedule, how to configure a shift that we have seen. And now in today's session we are going to see how to create period work schedule. For that you can go to time management, then explore work schedule, and in work schedule further you have to click on period work schedule. You will get option here, period work schedule. So expand this, and in this section you have to click on define period work schedule. Click on new entries and enter a grouping that I will enter 36, and PWS is a code. I will give a code here like VIGS, a code, and text here general shift, and in WEE enter 001, and in this section you can click on this and select your general shift VIGS. So we are going to assign our shift here VIGS. So whatever your weekdays, assign it to your weekdays. So in my organization there are 5 weekdays, so I'll assign for 5 days. Click on enter and save. So we have configured for create work schedule and define work schedule. Click on back, and then now next configuration is day types. Execute this day types, where first you can define selection rule. First define selection rule. In this section you have to define your day types, weekday. So how to configure that? Click on new entries and give a code and assign weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday. You have working days, so I have configured Monday to Friday. Click on enter and save. So this is the way to create a selection rule. Click on back. Now further configuration we'll try to cover in this section. Work schedule rule and work schedule. First click on define employee subgroup grouping, and then click on define employee subgroup grouping. So click on new entries and enter ES grouping. Available number is 5, so I have selected 5, and enter ES grouping for WS, that is permanent employee. So remember that ES grouping is 5. Save your entries. Click on back. Now the next configuration is group employee subgroup for work schedule. Click on that. Now system will ask you country group. Country grouping is 40 for India. Here you have to search employee group and subgroup where you can assign ES grouping. Let me just search by position. Employee group. So my employee group is C and employee subgroup is CC. So you will get your whatever the groups you have created for employee, that is permanent and contractual, and their subgroups. So for that you can assign your ES grouping, which is recently you have created. What is your ES grouping? You can assign here. Enter 5 and assign it to employee groups and employee subgroup. Now click on back. Close this. And the next configuration is define grouping for public holiday calendar. Search here personal area and sub area. My personal area is VIM. So once I search, you will get results here. And here you can assign a holiday calendar which you have created. So I have given a code for my holiday calendar is VI. If you want to check, you can click on this section and you can confirm from this. That is VI. VI public holiday calendar is our configuration. So enter it to other places. Click on enter and save your values. So this is the way, guys, to create a work schedule rule and work schedules. Thank you, guys.